How to fix if the WhatsApp app is not updating. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix if WhatsApp is not updating. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If the WhatsApp application is not updating, it could be due to multiple reasons. The very first thing you have to check is simply your internet connection. Just verify whether or not your internet is working fine. If it's working fine, try to switch to cellular data or simply try to switch your network if you have some other Wi-Fi available. Once you've done so, make sure that other applications are also working just fine. If that is not the case, then what could be the reason is that you could be using third-party applications of WhatsApp. So there are other applications such as GB WhatsApp and so on. You could have been using those. Just make sure that you're using the official WhatsApp version from your Google Play Store or your iOS App Store. Once you've done so, now you can go ahead and open up your respective app stores and then just type in the option called WhatsApp. Once you go ahead and type in WhatsApp, all you need to do is if you see an update button there next to the WhatsApp app, you have to tap on it to update. If you don't see an update button and you see open button, it means that the WhatsApp application is already on the latest version, so there is simply no need for you to update it. But just make sure that you're using the official version of WhatsApp, not some sketchy applications which you downloaded from Google and so on. And that is simply not safe. I would also not recommend you because that could get your account banned, that would get your phone number banned to ever use WhatsApp and so on. Hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can fix if WhatsApp is not updating. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.